You know, so it's all on demand. You know, it's all on demand, and you can watch as much as you want.
For Sian naman po and Kim Chiu siguro, what makes this particular movie or story different from what you've done before?
Yung si Zach kasi dito, in my previous characters na nagawa ko is very, I guess, lagi lang palaging in the office, nakasuit. But this time si Zach kasi he's really playful. And he's really, yun nga, playboy siya dito. Talagang makulit-kulit. So, it's really something different for me.
Ay, ako. Sorry. Ako dito, siguro first time ko ibahin yung itsura ko, mag-eyeglasses ako for the whole entire story look, kahit na in love siya or hindi siya minake-over, gano'n na talaga itsura niya. And then, first time kong gawa ng mga cupcake. First time kong gawa ng cupcake, and na-inspire ako mag-bake, yun siguro.
Yung cupcake ni Ma'am. Next question from Jude.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations. Hello, Miss Rich. My question goes to Kim. Kasi your character as story, naka-to-do list yung lahat ng gagawin mo. So, as someone na a story, what pieces of advice would you give to those women who are intending to date or have already been dating a playboy?
Ay, nakakatakot naman. Thank you for that wonderful question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's kind of hard, but I'll give it a try.
Go!
Tawang-tawa po kayo. Ako din eh. Teka lang siguro, para sa isang taong mahilig mag-to-do list, una, hindi niya siguro i-date ang isang playboy. Wala yun sa list niya. Na parang organized kasi siya. Kasi isang taong organized, ang isang playboy, alam naman natin, parang jockey, yung parang gwapo lang sila, pero pagdating mo ng kwarto nila, ang dumi-dumi ng bedroom nila. I don't know, siguro ganun. Ganun ba?
Hindi ako playboy.
So parang siguro, as story hindi niya i-date ang isang playboy. Si Tori kasi na-date na lang ang isang playboy kasi may utang na loob siya kay Chloe na gumante dun sa boyfriend niya na playboy para turuan ng leksyon. Parang ipapa-fall in love niya sa kanya, tas after that, sasaktan niya. Yung ganun. Parang siguro hindi gusto ng mga taong organized na mag-date ng isang playboy.
But as Kim?
But as Kim, as playboy, syempre, marupok ka lang, babae ka, wala kang to-do list. Bahala ka na, go with the flow. Siguro may mga times in life na mag-date ka rin ng playboy para matuto ka, para hindi mo na gawin ulit sa susunod mong, jowa. Jowa.
Pero na-experience mo ba?
Na mag-date ng playboy?
Oo, tapos nalaman mo playboy pala siya. O, alam mo ng playboy, pinasok mo pa rin.
Sabihin po natin sa bolang kristal. Parang, I think so. Hindi naman nabago yun.
Thanks, Kim.
Thank you.
Okay, question from FPJ.
FPJ? Ang provincial.
Ang question ko is, since, in terms of experience, kasi it's a mobile, parang, available for mobile app. And meron bang parang different experience ba in filming, and also yung nakikita nyo in terms of how it was portrayed in the app compared sa ginagawa nyo sa TV, sa movies, etc. Kahit sino pwede magsagot.
Okay, ako naman, yung pagkakita ko dun sa yung experience namin, tama ba yung pagkakaintindi ko na yung parang, is there anything different na parang since it's